Every Jamaican deserves a place to call their own home. Our plans are to make that a reality. We don't bulldoze people's homes, we build them. We're going to restore the special low interest rates for public sector workers. We're going to introduce a 3-month moratorium period after you buy the house, so you have some time to furnish it and do little fixing up before you have to start making your mortgage payments. And we'll increase the debt service ratio for public sector workers so that you can qualify for a bigger mortgage loan. We're really thinking about you guys. And for our young people, we have the Young Owners Fund, a $1 billion annual fund within the NHT, where anyone up to 35 who's buying a house for the first time, if they're an NHT contributor for at least 2 years, can get a grant of $500,000 towards the deposit on the house. And if you're a person who is working but can't produce a pay slip because you're in the informal economy, or you're struggling to save enough for a deposit for a home, we have the rent-to-own plan, where you can go into the house as a tenant, paying rent equal to the mortgage, and after 6 months, if you can establish your capacity to pay the rent on time, you'll be eligible for the mortgage, you can draw down the loan and become an owner of the house and step up in life. Because housing is not just a luxury for the few, it's a must for everyone.
Good morning, TikTok people. Well, yesterday was Mr. Buchanaan case versus Andrew Onis for the seat. Well, it put off again until February 19. February 19 at the Supreme Court, the case put off again. February 19, yes, is the case again. It put off until February 19. So February 19 is a case with Paul Buchanan and Andrew Onis, Court of Appeal. You understand? February 19, yes. February 19, we are back outside again with Mr. Buchanan. Yes. We're not give up, we're not give in. Mr. Buchanan, victory is your victory.
Big up yourself, talk your mind and talk for the press, big up yourself. You man and all my generals them. You see me? Yeah, cause you know, I shall burn some fire, you know, upon the religion, the Bible where they use and trick us, you know. You see what I say? See? Yeah man, that's what they do with Diana, you know. Because see what happened now. Why so much wicked people? Look what Andrew Onis do to we, him and the police force. And him people them. See? And yet, God, all the prayer way are half out there. And still, I give us the mark of the beast. Same way. Because I bring needs pan we and some I take it, some little food, licky blood clot. I run down 25,000 and 20,000 and I sign up to it. And God not and them religion, Christian God now help us. And we have to help ourselves. You not.
Jamaica people no come here. Only not hear say Cliff Hughes spread out upper Andrews saying get strokes, can't walk, can't see. But you're still lucky upper Andrews because no for we have to lay down on the ground or catch up on one bench for the whole night. So give thanks to upper Andrews in our bed. But nobody dead pa we now Cliff Hughes. Nobody dead. Even if you sap up yourself with little rubbing alcohol, tough up your mouth with dirty cloth and all rag or stuff your jaw corner with nutmeg, cause you can't dead. You have to survive. You have to live to pay all of these taxes away you owe this country. Can you imagine, Jamaica people, you have your business and you owe so much money? $1.5 billion you would have to pay it or them shut down your business. So I don't understand how the government of Jamaica allow Cliff Hughes to continue to operate owing taxpayers. $1.5 billion. Come on, Cliff, you can't deadpan. You have to live to pay them your taxes. You have evaded this country. Tax evasion, it is a crime. You have to pay your tax. If anyone of we did in a year predicament, then give notice and shut down with business long time. So how you could have owe this country $1.5 billion worth of taxes? What can go to Jamaica? You can't deadpan. We know Cliff Hughes, you have to live to come pay back taxpayer their money. Come on now.
Woke up with blurred vision and not walking steadily.
I must want prank this Jamaica. You don't realize your distraction. All because the PNP and Mark Golding and Dr. Das come out, come mash up the labor right them this morning in the press conference. You don't see them send Cliff Hughes come out with him propaganda and him prank upon the people. But all me I tell you, nobody dead. Can you have the taxes them for pay up $1.5 billion?
During cross-examination of the prosecution's first witness, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green, Mr. Wildman questioned the witness's recollection of the day on which the incident occurred, noting that he appeared uncertain whether it took place on a Saturday or a Sunday. Mr. Green testified that he observed the incident from a window for approximately 5 minutes. When asked whether he attended church that Sunday, he said no. Mr. Wildman suggested that the incident occurred on a Saturday. However, Mr. Green said his recollection is that the incident took place on January 12, 2013. He stated that regardless of whether it was a Saturday or Sunday, it was a weekend and he was at home at the time. Mr. Wildman reminded the witness that his earlier testimony indicated the incident occurred on a Sunday. When asked whether the day of the incident was of paramount importance, Mr. Green responded that what was most important was that he was at home and saw what he saw. Mr. Wildman suggested that the witness' inability to distinguish between a Saturday and a Sunday raised serious concerns, particularly given his position as a government minister. The defense attorney further suggested that the uncertainty had similar implications for the Crown's case. In response, Mr. Green clarified that he was not a minister at the time of the incident, but an attorney. He said during that period his life was much simpler and Saturdays and Sundays felt similar as he spent both days at home with his family. When pressed on whether he provided Indicom with the day of the incident, Mr. Green said he clearly remembered giving a specific date. Mr. Wildman then suggested that the case was a conspiracy between Mr. Green and Indicom to convict innocent police officers. Mr. Green firmly rejected the suggestion, describing it as illogical and nonsensical. He stated that he had no reason to conspire with anyone and did not know any of the officers involved. The defense attorney further suggested that the case was concocted and that Mr. Green was not present at the scene. The witness denied the claim, insisting that it made no sense to suggest a conspiracy against individuals he did not know. Mr. Green also rejected Mr. Wildman's assertion that he resigned from cabinet during the COVID-19 pandemic because he had breached the law. Mr. Wildman pressed further, suggesting that Mr. Green could have been charged because a file was sent to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions but was not because of curry favoring with the former DPP. Mr. Green described those claims as inaccurate, false, misguided, and nonsensical, stating that he was unaware of any considerations involving the former DPP at the time. He maintained that there was no basis for the suggestion and said he acted honorably. Raquel Porto, Reporting for Radio Jamaica News.